The Museum of Literature, Himeji, Japan, 1988 through 1991. The Museum of Literature was designed by Tadao Ando, an architect who is known for incorporating natural light and natural forms of landscape into his design. His buildings are usually defined by circulation paths, which interlace between the interior and exterior. These paths are formed by geometric shapes and the space created within and around the shapes. The Museum of Literature is located in the city of Himeji in Hyogo, Japan, specifically at the base of a hill called Otokutama, which faces Himeyama. The hill of the Himeji Castle is built. The museum was created with the intention of integrating the climate and natural aspects of the location. The fertile environment of the Museum of Literature inspired Ando to incorporate water and greenery into his design, with hopes that it would make a connection with the Himeji Castle, which is a building on the site located to the southeast of the museum. Ando is very intentional about the materials he uses. In this project, he primarily uses glass, concrete, and water in order to portray a connection between the new and the old. The history and background of the location of the Museum of Literature is reflected in the building. In 1931, the Himeji Castle was built and elected as a national treasure, and in 1945, a great deal of the city was destroyed during the Pacific War. But the Himeji Castle remained standing. Also, Ando preserved parts of what was already there. For example, he kept a brickwork wall from what used to be an aristocrat house. In 1993, land next to the original site became available, and so Ando created an annex, which would be a library. The main building is made of two equal cubes which overlap at a 30-degree angle, but one of the cubes is wrapped by a cylinder which has a 20-meter radius, which is meant to echo the hill. These geometric forms were made to bring out the special features of the surroundings. For example, a vertical beam goes through the roof of the concrete cubes so that natural light can be flooded inward. The annex is connected to the main building by having a glass rectangular box touching a cube of the main building, with the purpose of creating a relationship between the harsh geometrical forms and the soft natural environment. Tadao Ando really considers all aspects of his project in order to create unity between the architecture and its environment.